Okay, so hi, my name is Angel Enriquez, and this is a video of how I implemented the MIPS32 data path using Quartus and using the language Verilog. So here is the diagram I'm going to be implementing. Here are the multiple blocks that I'm going to take into account. Each line represents a wire, and each block represents a MIPS instruction. As you can see, I have to take into account all of them. Memory, write back, instruction decoder. The RAM is where the data is going to be stored, and the register files. Okay, so if we go to Quartus, here is part of my code. So to start off, it's already compiled just to save time. Here are all the files I will be using, and if you notice, they have the same name as the blocks in the diagram because each one represents a block. So I'm going to have to be connecting all of these with wires. Okay, so I'll start off with the ROM. So the ROM is where I have my initial, where I'm going to take the file from. So here's where my project is located. Okay, and here are the instructions I'm going to be needing to do. Sorry about that. And here are the results. So I'm going to have to be reading this from this text file. The MIPS32, this is the main one. This is the one that combines all of them, all the files. And this is where the wires were. And all this code is to connect the wires to each block. The ID is where all the instructions are placed. All the instructions, including OR, XOR, branch, J, all the ones I'll be needing. Basically adding the PC to +4. And okay, so let's actually start the simulation so we can see the results. So so as you can see, I did not get any errors. This is open. So oh, sorry. Okay, so let's change these to each one to hexadecimal. Then we're going to restart it and then run all of them. So here you can see the results. So let's go all the way at the beginning where it starts. Okay, so you can see each register. I'm using 4 registers. The main one I'm going to be focused on is the fourth one. As you can see, it should be adding 1 each cycle, which it does. So it starts off at 0, then goes to 1, and then continues F10, 5, continues all the way until my desired output. All the way here. And yeah, that is basically it. Thank you.